Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the feature of new GoldHen Beta version. So go to the game PS4 host and there you will see the new beta GoldHen. So jailbreak with this beta version. The feature of this beta version is that when you go and install the PKG file and you have to wait for the game to install and you cannot go back and use the PS4, but with the beta version you can use the PS4 while installing the game in the background. So enable it and install the PKG. As you can see, the game is installing the background. And another thing you notice is the show package info. So if you enable it and go back to package installer, you see the title of the PKG file, also the game version. So these are the new features which are added. The other feature is you can see the game overlay. So go to the web browser and here you can see the orbit toolbox. So click on it and then go to the setting. And enable all the game overlay option. Now open the game and at the top you can see the game overlay like a CPU temperature, RAM usage and other things. So these are the main changes which are added in this version. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks.